Hello students, yes, you are done with one of your most dangerous paper, direct tax, and yes, the monster is gone. Now let us focus on the gangster, that is indirect taxes. See, first of all, a easy subject where you can score good marks to cover up your aggregate in your group 2 or for both the groups. So without taking much stress, let us go with the preparation, and I am giving you a detailed strategy here in what sequence you have to go through the chapters, which chapters are first you have to give the importance, and how to cover 100% syllabus here along with the various questions, model test papers, RTPs, MTPs, even ICA study based case study based MCQs, all that stuff. So please watch the video till the end. And one more thing, when you are watching it, take the screenshots for the time slots whatever I have given. Okay, next one more thing is, see how to handle this exam, how to handle IDT exam 3 hours, how to manage that. I have a very good plan for you all that I will upload on 10th May, that is on the exam day, or before the exam day midnight somewhere I will be uploading it. So you watch it on the exam day. That is another thing for you, right? Now see, first of all, today, yes, the exam is over, but please understand, you should not relax. Please cover these three chapters: supply charge and registration. Supply charge and registration, mostly of conceptual things and provision based things, nothing much to remember or mug up the things, all that. So please make sure you are covering these three chapters and going for the sleep. Okay, if you are able to cover some extra chapters also, no problem, but still these three chapters, of course, definitely you should cover. Okay, next, tomorrow when you wake up, please understand, before 12 p.m. or ideally 12:30 maximum, you should be covering place of supply, time of supply, value of supply, exemptions, input tax credit, and amendments. All these things you should finish, and then you take a lunch break for 30 minutes, whatever it is, as quickly as possible finish it off. And make sure between 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon tomorrow, that is on 9th May, you are solving model test papers whatever available in ICA website. The first question there will be like the calculation of net GST payable question. No, that question you solve all the questions. So hardly 6 model test papers are there. Finish off those things so that you have a hands-on experience on all these provisions whatever you read. See, mostly first question will be testing all these topics. Yes, of course, here and there they will be testing some other topics also, that's fine, but these are the chapters which are really very important. First, if you finish them, then obviously you will be covering most of the weightage in the question paper, right? So this you have to do. So this is the first slot, so 8th May, and the next one is afternoon till tomorrow 9th May. What you have to do next, evening I have some small chapters for you which are very important for you. E-way bill, payment of tax. In payment of tax, interest calculation is going to be really important and tedious. Next, refunds, GST refunds. This is GST refunds, not customs duty refunds chapter. Offenses and penalties, tax invoice, accounts and records. Okay, these chapters are small chapters. Here and there they will be asking some MCQ questions or some 4-5 mark questions, all the stuff, so that you go through from 4:30 to 7:30, sorry, 4:30 to 7:30, you finish off these things. Now coming to the next one, we take a dinner break. I give ideally 1 hour here, but you should be taking half an hour, something like that. But if you're too much stressed, take 1 hour, no problem. So now in 2 hours time, you should be focusing on other small topics like demands and recovery, assessment and audit, advanced ruling, appeals and revisions, inspection, such and seizure. With this, we will be done with GST. Very important topics. If you have time, if you are managing something extra also, no problem, like job work, etc., all that you can just go through. But these are the topics which are more than sufficient, so you can happily score well. Not just passing, also exemption you can score if you are thorough with these chapters. This for you, the target is 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. in the night. And once you are done with this, balance 6 model test papers are there. No, all that model test papers you did only first question. So balance whatever the questions related to the balance chapters in this model test papers, finish off all those questions. So with this, you are thorough with GST. Now you can happily go to the bed. That means before going to the bed, you are finishing entire GST. Before 9th May, you are going to bed, you are finishing entire GST along with model test papers. Okay. So now the next day when you wake up, the next day what you do is you take customs duty and small chapters customs duty. See, in customs duty also don't read everything. Valuation, types of duty, refund and classification. These 4 chapters, you please be very thorough. Finish it by morning 8 o'clock on 10th May. Very small topics. Happily you can do that. Okay. And this valuation, definitely one problem will be there in the exam. So please be careful. So all these things you be thorough by 8 a.m. in the morning. Now, any 4 case study, ICA case study MCQs, 4 ICA case study based MCQs, you try to solve them. Okay. That may take you hardly 1 hour time or 1.5 hour time. No problem. Finish it off. Now, till you go to the exam, the balance time what you have to do, just focus on May 24, November 24 and May 25 RTPs and MTPs. Very, very, very important. Please make sure and understand here. Well, important thing is don't solve them. Just read the question, understand what will be the answer. You just cross check the answer and close it. But don't try to solve it like without looking at everything. All that. Don't waste your time. Just read, understand, and go through the answer. Simple. So that way you will be coming across all these latest adjustments, whatever is there before the exam. So that way you can happily cover your portion. And please understand, I will just show you once again so that if you want to take a screenshot, you can take screenshot of this. So first you go with this. So this one you can take the screenshot. Next, if you want, you can take this screenshot and wait till the last minute. I have some more thing, certain points for you to discuss. And finally, this one. Okay, this one you can take the screenshot. Now, sir, for your revision purpose, from my end, what are the resources available in YouTube channel? See, first of all, quick revision videos for all the important chapters of GST I have uploaded. So just like that, chak we can complete the revision of important chapters in GST. Please watch those videos if needed. And amendments, I have posted already a detailed video and also a quick revision video. You can go through that. Amendments are going to be really important for your exam, so please be very careful. And next, RTP May 25 solved RTP I have posted, and how to solve first question, 14-mark question in the main exam, that also I have uploaded in the YouTube. So please make sure you are using these resources and following that. First of all, understand now, guys, please understand, you have solved all the difficult papers like FRA, FM. Audit is like, oh my god, everybody around in the internet are talking about only auditing paper. So that way it was there. And direct tax is over. Now it is only indirect taxes, and later on, of course, IBS, it's a different story. Indirect tax will definitely help you to score more marks as well, like protecting your aggregate, all that. So please be confident. And this time, whatever I have given the time frames, that is, I just gave you literally luxury actually. So if you want to like little bit push yourself little bit harder, you can just cover up the things little bit earlier also, and you can cover other topics also, right? So this is what from my end, and please do enjoy your preparation and don't feel relaxed just because you're done with direct taxes. So wishing you all the very best. Enjoy your preparation. This is your Mr. GST signing off. Jai Hind.